Ever wondered if you're truly getting the most out of your money management app? Are you using Pocketguard and thinking, is there something more out there? Well, you've hit the jackpot, because today we're diving deep into why Mint often pulls ahead in the personal finance app race, particularly when stacked against Pocketguard. Let's face it, managing your money can feel like a chore. We're all looking for that perfect tool to make budgeting, tracking spending, and hitting financial goals a breeze. Pocketguard, with its in-your-pocket approach, has gained traction by simplifying your available spending. It shows you what's truly safe to spend after accounting for bills and savings goals. And for many, that simplicity is exactly what they need. It's a clean interface, quick to set up, and offers a straightforward snapshot of your immediate financial wiggle room. For those just dipping their toes into budgeting, Pocketguard can be a fantastic starting point, preventing overspending by giving you a clear, conservative figure. But here's where Mint often shines brighter. While Pocketguard excels at that immediate safe-to-spend calculation, Mint provides a much broader and deeper financial ecosystem. Think of it like this: Pocketguard is a well-designed, easy-to-read speedometer, telling you your current speed. Mint, on the other hand, is a comprehensive dashboard with a speedometer, fuel gauge, oil pressure, engine temperature, and a detailed trip computer, all providing a more holistic view of your financial vehicle. One of Mint's biggest strengths is its robust budgeting tools. Unlike Pocketguard's more fixed approach, Mint allows for highly customizable budgets. You can categorize spending down to the finest detail, create subcategories, and even set up rollover budgets if you underspend in a particular area. This level of granularity empowers you to truly understand where every dollar is going, not just what's left over. For anyone serious about optimizing their spending habits and identifying areas for savings, Mint's detailed budgeting is a game changer. Beyond budgeting, Mint offers a more complete picture of your net worth. It integrates with investment accounts, mortgages, and other assets, providing a real-time understanding of your overall financial health. Pocketguard, while connecting to bank accounts, doesn't offer the same comprehensive view of your entire financial portfolio. This is crucial for long-term financial planning and understanding your progress towards significant wealth-building goals. Furthermore, Mint's bill tracking and financial goal setting are generally more advanced. You can track upcoming bills, receive reminders, and even monitor your credit score directly within the app, a feature not as prominently integrated into Pocketguard. For those looking to improve their credit or save for specific milestones like a down payment on a house or retirement, Mint provides more actionable insights and tracking capabilities. The reporting features in Mint are also a significant differentiator. You can generate detailed reports on spending trends, net worth changes, and budget performance over time. This historical data is invaluable for identifying patterns, making informed financial decisions, and adjusting your strategies for the future. While Pocketguard offers some basic insights, it doesn't match the analytical depth available in Mint. Ultimately, while Pocketguard excels in its simplicity and immediate safe-to-spend calculation, Mint offers a more powerful, versatile, and comprehensive financial management experience. If you're looking for an app that can grow with your financial journey, providing detailed budgeting, net worth tracking, robust reporting, and a broader suite of financial tools, Mint is often the more compelling choice. It empowers you to not just manage your money, but truly master it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.